This dress changes everything. One of the biggest problems of our industry is that we rely on resources that are running out. It's been an enormous effort since the very beginning to find new materials that aren't dependent on new natural resources. And so this gives us a new solution to use existing materials to create new.
Circ chose Mara Hoffman and Avery Dennison because they're like-minded. They recognize the challenges that this industry has, and they want to act now to change it. The challenge to recycling clothing is that the majority is blended. And what I mean by that is you take a plastic like polyester and purposely engineer it with a natural fiber like cotton. Polycotton is likely over 50% of all the fabrics produced today. And so we have a solution that can separate those two so that the polyester can be reused infinitely, and then the cotton we convert to a cellulose fiber like lyocell.
I find it really exciting that we are the first luxury brand, first American brand to bring Circ's fiber to market. We decided to make a small run, 35 pieces, of this beautiful, intentional, luxurious dress. I think for me it was really important to show that we can take this advancement in technology and make something gorgeous.
To see just what can be possible with this material, it really demonstrates the versatility of lyocell.
I think that the most exciting part of this is the longer-term commitment that we're making to Circ's fiber, because it takes a lot to say something like that and then be able to follow through with it. This dress is not just about the materials, but it's now a vehicle to give more people the information they need to make more sustainable choices. In partnership with Avery Dennison, we were able to use our scraps to create a digital care label. Through this, we can track the entire cycle of this dress. When you scan the QR code, it gives you all of the information of where it was made, how you can take care of this dress, how to resell this dress, even down to what to do with it at the end of its hopefully very, very long life.
Circularity is a team sport, and it's a lot more than just the material. It requires a whole ecosystem, all held together by digital solutions. And so the partnership with Avery Dennison gives us those tools so that we can be really mindful for the future in creating a circular system for fashion.
To know now that we have this incredible tool that gives us this step towards transparency and circularity, it's an enormous step for us and a really meaningful step for the industry.
I'm so proud of these limited edition dresses because they show just how beautiful and powerful circularity can be. It's just pure art. And to see circularity look so beautiful, it's heartwarming.
Not only are we able to bring this beautiful representation in life to a new meaningful fiber, we're also able to bring an example of how technology is so important in the sustainability movement now.